Hey everyone, Ron with Profit Labs here, and I just wanted to create a quick case study of a recent graphic design project that we were working on with a client. And I thought it was pretty important just to kind of run a few things by you, the audience, and also possible future clients and anyone looking to really create a new website or figure out what's wrong with the website or how they can get it to better perform. So what you're looking at here is a typical project we go through when creating a new website. Now, one of the things I stress to clients is that you got to get your design right. The biggest mistake that I see clients making is that they give the design over to a developer, or they go to let's say a WordPress developer and they say, I want you to create a website for me. So this developer, naturally, who's not a gifted designer, they'll go and grab a generic template of some kind and just kind of fill in the blanks. And that will only get you nominal results. If you really want to get great results with your website, you really need a custom design, something that's really going to fit your brand and the message that you're trying to get out there to your audience. So the proper process for building a new website is to go about creating the design first, take that design in form of, let's say, Photoshop source files or Adobe Illustrator, whatever your graphic designer is comfortable with. Once you get those source files, then hand that over to your developer and say, here's the source files of the website. This is exactly how I want it to look. Take them and build out the website now. This will make your developer much happier because there's no thinking involved. There's no design work. Developers want to do one thing, which is develop, period. Designers want to do one thing, which is design. When you start trying to get your developer to design a website for you, he ends up getting frustrated. These projects end up taking way longer than they should, and that's when you get trapped in this process that you don't want to be in, as far as just non-stop development and design, because your developer is trying to come up with a theme that you're not happy with, and you're constantly going back and forth trying to figure out how come this website is not looking the way it should. So let me give you a quick example. This is what the client website currently looks like. I cut off the top header because, you know, whatever, for confidentiality's sake, but you're going to see the header in the design anyway, so no biggie. Anyway, this is what the current design looks like, and they made the same mistake I was talking about just now, where they gave the developer the kind of leeway to create the design for them. So naturally, he just took a template, he filled in the blanks, he made a couple custom revisions for the clients, and this is how it came out. And this particular website is just not converting well. It's not doing as good as it should. They're getting plenty of traffic, targeted traffic from Google Organic, from AdWords and other sources. It's just doing a really poor job of converting clients. So I had a talk with the client and I said, you know, we could do a better job for you, and here's what we're going to do. So what we did was we hired a bunch of designers, and they went about creating tons of different designs for us. As you can see, these are all the different concepts that we created for this particular page, or rather this particular website. And I mean, as you can see, these designs are actually fantastic. And I guarantee once it's launched, which it should be very quickly, it'll produce much better results. Their ROI is going to be through the roof. Their conversion rates are going to be through the roof once all this gets launched. So I gave all these concepts to the client. What we did was go through the ones we like the best, the ones he liked the best, and my personal recommendations. From all of these, the one I liked the best, let me just show you guys, was, let's see if I can find it. There's so many. I like this one the best here. I really like the way it was, the quote form on the top. I like it was all the way it was all laid out. The client also agreed in terms of the quote form on the top. He liked this promo box here, but he also liked different elements from different designs. which I agreed with him, and he had great points as far as which elements made the most sense in different designs. And from all these various concepts, we took the best of what we found. He liked these boxes here, actually, right here, these boxes, which we took and implemented, and he liked one particular layout better than all of them. So all in all, what we came up with was this as a final design. For the home page, at least, we have other things that we're working on as far as a quote page and blog layout, but as you could see, this compared to what he has now is much better in terms of layout, getting the message across, getting the look and feel right for the brand, right? So now what we do is, once we get the source files for this, we simply hand it over to a WordPress developer. And long story short, that's it. It only takes another 3 to 5 days to complete the WordPress website. Once he has the source files in hand, he simply skins it out, creates the proper elements, the widgets, where places all the content where it needs to be. For this particular project, we're also writing up content for the client, so they don't have to worry about that, and we're going to be plugging in all the necessary content to the various pages of the website. And that's it. Once it's launched, it's going to be absolutely phenomenal. He's going to get great conversion rates. He's going to do much more business. And this is the proper way to do a website. So just to review the process, you do the graphic design first. Get a good graphic designer. In my case, or in our case, we got a bunch of graphic designers. We got about 50 plus concepts. I think altogether it came out to about 69 concepts that we got to choose from. We picked the best elements from the best concepts. We put it all into one cohesive layout, and this was the final product, one fantastic looking website. So that's what I would recommend for you to do as well. If you're still not sure what to do, just head on over to profitlabs.net. Go ahead and contact us. You could definitely find our contact information on the top and bottom of any web page on our website. Use our contact form. Contact us through YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. We are all over the place. If you have a question, we are here to answer it. So with that being said, thank you very much for your time, and have a great, fantastic day. Take care. Bye.